Hey, what's up, everybody? Got an interesting piece of equipment yet again. This is like the year of interesting finds. Kitty, hey, hey, go mess with that somewhere else, Kitty. Hey, hey, come on, come on, it's not for you. Anyway, this is a cat. Get out of here, scoot your butt. It's a Keithley brand radiation meter, and this was last calibrated in 2009. So I have zero hopes in having any sort of accurate reading on this device, and that's probably why they got rid of it, because it's probably not accurate anymore. It's an older device. It takes a 9-volt battery. The 9-volt goes here in the handle, and this is just a little protective cover that it has. And I know you need to zero these things out, but you know, I've never used one of these things like on a professional level, so I really don't know what the policies, procedures, protocols are. If you've ever used one of these, leave a comment. So this range, this micro Röntgen per hour, I looked it up online and it said something like 0.006 to 0.008-ish was a normal background radiation. I have no idea how accurate this is or whatever, and I don't know why there's like a negative symbol there, but it doesn't seem like it matters what I do. Well, maybe it does. So this is like to zero it, but I can't zero it, so I don't know how that works, like at all. And this is like the run position. Anyway, interesting device. Cool coffee table piece. Scan your friends. Scan your pets. Scan your relatives. Scan your office. Or weird your friends out. Anyway, interesting thing I bought. Thought you guys might enjoy it. If you've ever used any device like this, please leave a comment. I would love to hear about it. Cheers.